Namaste. Hi everyone. I am so excited to be speaking to all of you. We are going to have a great year together. They say the International Assembly is magical. So let me start with some magic, presenting the President. Welcome my partner to the partner session. In India they say 1 plus 1 becomes 11. That has been the underlying ethos of our journey together. When Shekhar was asked to join Rotary, I was just as keen for him to join. A new journey began, and ever since the first day, we were a team. Of course, Shekhar was the more active one, but I as partner was there to fully participate, encourage and support him. This happened first at the club level and then at the district level. Though I was quite involved with Innerwheel and was the president of my Innerwheel club in the same year that Shekhar was president of his Rotary club. But we both were a team helping each other in our work. It was one of the best years of our lives. And some years later, when Shekhar got elected as district governor, I decided to stop my onward journey in Innerwheel and wanted to fully support him in his role as district governor.
Hi the partners, the significant halves. I'm so happy to be speaking to all of you. Rashi has always been the perfect partner in life and in our journey together in Rotary. She was and is my biggest supporter and also the constructive critic. Any of my mega dreams of service projects would first get past her eagle eye. She would often be part of the planning of these projects and many times participated in the execution too, but always opted to be at the back end support, so crucial for success. And this has been so throughout our journey in Rotary. When I was the district governor, Rashi accompanied me for club visits to most of the 125 clubs. She participated in all the training meetings. This ensured that the partners of the club presidents also became involved. She could motivate the partners to do some fellowship and service projects exclusively by them.
Let me take the cue of the service projects. Shekhar is deeply involved with the service projects, and these projects at Rotary have always inspired me, and I participated in them as often as I could. The Indian Ocean tsunami made me get deeply involved with disaster management, especially the shelter kit program that Shekhar initiated. Together, we packed hundreds of kits and often visited the disaster sites over the years. One such memorable visit was to the earthquake devastated Kashmir. On the fourth day of the disaster, Shekhar and I went to Kashmir from midway of a family wedding. We were carrying a truckload of relief kits and relief materials. Along with local Rotarians, we set out to the disaster-struck areas in the hilly terrain of Kashmir on what was to be one of the most treacherous drives of our lives. The open jeep was driven by a 19-year-old Rotaractor on an extremely narrow, winding, dangerous mountainous dirt road with free fall of thousands of feet on the side. Add to that landslides ahead of us and behind us. But Shekhar's courage, added with passion to help these victims, was not deterred by all this. We kept going till we reached far beyond where all the relief work was done. No one else had reached these unreachable, unfortunate disaster-affected people. They were all beholden to Rotary for the relief material we provided them. Even today, it is a hair-raising memory. But the smiles on the faces of the people who received the relief materials was all worth it. A day of adventure, a day of hands-on service as partner of a Rotarian.
As years passed and we moved onwards in Rotary, our scope of work became regional, national and international. Rashi was always engaged as a partner. Rotary gave us immense opportunities to serve, to change lives. And in the process, our lives changed too.
On that note, Shekhar, then let me again share an experience with everyone, which was extremely rewarding for me. Shekhar and I visited Durgapur, a neighboring town, to visit 10-year-old Asghar Ali, who had come from far away northwest Pakistan for his heart surgery. Asghar was smiling, but his mother had tears in her eyes. Of course, tears of joy. The joy of seeing her son live again. She said, "My son was born in Pakistan, but has got life in India because of Rotary. Long live Rotary, long live India." It was an extremely heart-touching moment. Such moments made me realize that all the efforts in arranging these surgeries was so meaningful, as it helped Asghar Ali live. And yet each year, more than thousands of Asghar Alis get a new life because of Rotary's efforts. I am sure these stories resonate with you in your journey together. By the end of June 2022, each one of you will have a treasure of such enriching Rotary moments.
And friends, Rashi not only participates in these programs, but even today helps raise money for them too. Each year, for the last 20 years, she with a team of Rotarians raise about $25,000 each year for the various club projects like the eye hospital, scholarships for children, heart surgeries for little children, skill development, etc. Over the years, she and her team have helped raise about $500,000 for our Rotary Club by organizing fundraisers each year. Not just projects or fundraising, getting members to Rotary also has been a passion for her. Over the years, she has helped get more than 20 members to the Rotary fraternity. Each of you can surely help get members. How about the partners also taking up the challenge of each one bring one, and encouraging all partners of your district to help out in this initiative? Imagine what an impact you can have on the organization. Each of you can also play an important role in the Empowering Girls program. Start with one marginalized child and her plight will motivate and urge you to do more. The partners in your district can together take up this noble cause. If they wish to, they can do so much. If there are no needs in your community, do it outside your community or even outside your country. Do involve not just the partner, but even the children. Let Rotary become a family engagement. The partners can get involved in grow more and do more.
Dear partners of Governors-elect, the purpose of sharing our journey together is to urge you also to enjoy the same what we enjoyed. When I look back, I feel satisfied that I made a silent and humble contribution in my own way. Rotary activities opened a new world to us by giving us a new vision of service, vision of endless friendship, vision of leadership, ethics and tolerance in life. And all these values come so naturally that one hardly realizes that one has evolved into a better human being. This International Assembly will mark a major milestone in your journey together as you get to see the big picture of the organization and experience the internationality of Rotary. You will make friends from around the world, listen to amazing speakers on important issues. It will be an extremely enriching experience. So do immerse yourself in each plenary, breakouts and roundtable discussions. You will get an insight into the culture and service projects of different countries. Do explore all features as the magic of International Assembly provides a wholesome experience just as Rotary itself does. So Rotary is not merely an organization, it is an institution. It institutes better persons and we are proud that our partners are leaders in it and we are their partners in doing good in this world. For me, it is not just a journey together for us, but a journey together for us, you all, and me.
Well, Rafshi has never been a member of Rotary. She has been a Rotarian at heart always. And I suggest that you too take advantage of this by being a Rotarian at heart, by participating with your partner. Many of you are Rotarians yourselves. That gives you a great advantage in knowing the organization better. You can be such a big asset to your partner in one of the most exciting roles your partner will take up in the Rotary journey. Let us participate, let us engage, let us advise when needed, and support always. This will make the journey even more incredible and exciting for both.
We all come from different parts of the world, and our cultures, our ethos of Rotary may be different. So our method of engagement may be different. But our goal can surely be to work as a team so that we can achieve more in these 365 days. We can be the wind beneath their wings so that we can together soar high. In India, there is a famous song, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना, एक अकेला थक जाएगा, मिलकर बोझ उठाना, साथी हाथ बढ़ाना. Meaning, partners do lend a hand. One alone may get tired soon. So share the burden a bit, lend a hand. I come from the city of the angel of service, Mother Teresa. So let me end with what she said so beautifully. Love cannot remain by itself. It has no meaning. Love has to be put into action. And that action, friends, is service. Friends, do enjoy your journey together. Lend a hand as you too serve to change lives.